How to make IPVanish work with TLS 1.2 in Windows 7. In an effort to continue to provide our users with top-notch security, our servers have minimum requirements for TLS. TLS stands for Transport Layer Security, and it is required to create a successful secure connection between your device and our servers. All of the latest operating systems natively support the latest version of TLS, however, Windows 7 does not. If you are still using Windows 7, and you are getting a TLS error when connecting using OpenVPN, you can manually add support for TLS 1.2 using the following guide below. Add TLS 1.2 support for Windows 7, easy method 1. Download and install the latest version of our Windows app. In most cases, the installation of our latest app version will enable TLS 1.2 on your Windows 7 system. Add TLS 1.2 support for Windows 7, manual method, if the above method fails. 1. Download the zip registry key. 2. Unzip the registry key add _TLS 12.reg. 3. Double-click the add _TLS 12.reg file and click yes to add the new registry entry to your Windows registry. After you have completed the steps above, make sure you completely close and restart your IPVanish app, and you should now be able to connect using the latest version of our Windows app. If you have any trouble, please contact IPVanish support team.